Today we're going to go in and show you how to give a developer access to your Alexa account. So whether that's for an UpWork project or if you're collaborating on a team on a new startup. Let's start off by signing into your Alexa account, which you can do by searching Alexa developer. And then sign into the correct account. Just hover over your name and click Settings. In the top bar you should see User Permissions. Click that and then you're just going to add a new member. If you're working with Voice First Tech, our main account to add is aws@voicefirsttech.com. Otherwise you can add in any email address and it'll send them an email letting them know that they have permission, and we'll also list all of the projects as a separate account for them to sign into.